it like a TV channel. Every TV channel has different demographics of who they're serving. Every social media has different demographics of who utilizes it. Facebook skews a little bit older than Instagram. LinkedIn is really about for business owners and professionals to gain information. YouTube is where people go to be entertained, but sometimes they go there to be educated. Hence, this video is on YouTube. I gotta be animated. I gotta be interesting to capture your attention. If I was doing this on LinkedIn, maybe I'd be a little bit more buttoned down. No. Your marketing sucks because it doesn't have any of you in it. You're the secret ingredient. But at the end of the day, you need to be actively involved too, so that your brand is connected with who you are. Because at the end of the day, you're the parent to your business. Now, I'm not saying, don't hire people to manage your social media. I'm not saying don't hire people to manage your website. There's different characteristics. View them as TV channels. Every TV channel is going to have a unique message, going to have unique programming because of the people that are there watching it.